All right, so this is a little bit, I don't want to say confusing, I shouldn't use that word, but it's a little bit more advanced. So this is basically an electric generator. So here's what we're looking at in the most basic sense. We have a circuit here, we have this here. So what's going on here? So this thing here is, these are magnets, all right, on the side. This is like a coil of wire. This is like exactly what's inside of like a fan. If you have like just a normal fan in your room that you plug in, that's basically what's inside. Okay, it's one of these things, it's free to spin. And here's our switch, all right? So we already established that if we run current through a wire, we create a magnetic field. Okay, so if we run current through this wire, we're going to create a magnetic field in here. Well, think about that for a second. You're going to create a magnetic field here in these wires. You can tell those are little wires there. But we already have a magnetic field here, okay? So it's kind of like putting two magnets near each other. If you put two magnets near each other, think about what's going to happen to those magnets. Are they going to affect each other? Are they going to move each other? Are they going to attract each other? What's going to happen? So this doesn't work perfectly, so let's see how we do. So I'm going to close the circuit and put current through this. So we're going to create a magnetic field in those wires, those coils of wire there, okay? And that's inside of another magnetic field, these two magnets. So let's close these coils of wire, see what happens. So that's an electric motor, basically. Now, I think I may have said electric generator earlier. An electric generator is the exact opposite. An electric generator would be, if I spin this, okay, I create current. We already saw that. Where did we see it? The fan video I showed you guys, where the fan blowing on a fan and it's spinning can start or can light a diode. Okay, so the fan is basically just this. The fan looks like this on the inside, okay? It's got those coils of wire in a magnetic field, all right? So the way this works is when I put current through these wires, it moves. If I did the opposite, if I didn't put current through it, if I moved this, like when I blew on the fan, I would send current through the wires, all right? So it's like two sides of the same coin. Moving currents create magnetic fields. Moving magnetic fields create currents. All right?